3xLOGIC's integrated access control and video solution was made to manage and protect organizations of all types and sizes, anytime and anywhere, all without the headache or hassle that accompany traditional access control and video solutions. With our infinias access control solution, you have the power to leverage our cloud-based platform without the cost of a heavy infrastructure. Installation is quick and economical, built to easily scale from a single door to an infinite number of access points. From your desktop or smart device, users can easily manage their day-to-day business, assign and edit credentials, lock and unlock doors, visually verify events, and set door schedules with the flexibility required for the most simple and complex business needs. 3xLOGIC helps protect businesses just like this from all types of threats. High-end access control and video surveillance solutions aren't just for large corporations and don't have to be expensive. Our agile solution promises to be easy to use and powerful enough to meet the demands of your business. Simple, scalable, secure. Schedule a demo and protect your business today.